I grew up with Cam. I played all throughout my little league life with Cam. Cam's a worker. All throughout life, he's just been constantly getting better mentally and physically. So, I mean, you see it what Coach Diaz says, him in the weight room, that's just not something he's just doing. He's doing that for the betterment of the team, not just himself.
What's the difference when you look at him?
I got Luke in this bitch with me.
He's definitely a gamer. He was already a huge guy when he came here. And he's just getting even more. He's getting stronger. He's working on soft tissue.
Pain and suffering.
He's just taking care of his body, you know.
They ain't gonna feel my pains, they don't know where we come from. I can talk shit cause I walk shit. Diamond shining on me, need a hard switch. Niggas talking crazy, get them all hit. Put the call in from Dubai on some boss shit. Brand new Maybach, this ain't raw shit. This my shit, I be talking fly shit. Clean them niggas up with that mop stick. Hating on me that they get your baby moms hit. Touching Keikos, spinning pesos. Niggas flying private with them Dracos. Pull up in your city like it ain't yours. Put a check up on your hit and this case closed. Still change hoes like I change clothes. Chain froze, Range Rover, and I'm playing hoes. Flashback, seeing cops and I'm playing clothes. My niggas fighting open cases and they ain't close.
Young king, I'm a young king. Remember all them nightmares, all them bad dreams. Remember all them nights when we didn't have a thing. So it's only right a nigga live like a king. Yeah, hey, you can't tell me you ain't never had a dream. If it was shooting ball up, a triple beam. Hey, we gon' fuck them all up with the whole team. Yeah, hey, young nigga dream.
Niggas talking tough, we calling you bluff. Took a call, got him hit while I'm talking to Puff. Man, damn, man, I shouldn't be talking to stuff. That nigga that you claiming hit it or talking to us. Caught him in the morning like it's Time Joyner. Dot plugging cables to him like it's Time Warner. Time to pull a plug on him, let his mom on him. Got a suicide squad like a bomb on him. Spin a block on that nigga talking ha-ha. He was playing with them birdies, now it's bye-bye. I know Jigga, I know Emery and Tata. Rock Nation in my chain, color tie-dye. Nigga, on the truth, I'm like voila. Every time I make a movie, it be sci-fi. Looking scary in that ghost when I ride by. Niggas said I wouldn't make it, I'm like voila. I know magic, I'm a savage. It's a plane, it's a bird, it's a bad bitch. I ain't tripping about her, you can have it. They was happy we was broke, now we married. Young nigga, talking cash shit. You can tell we ain't never really had shit. To my mama public house into a glass crib. Now my gas house bigger than my last crib.
Young king, I'm a young king. Remember all them nightmares, all them bad dreams. Remember all them nights when we didn't have a thing. So it's only right a nigga live like a king. Yeah, hey, you can't tell me you ain't never had a dream. If it was shooting ball up, a triple beam. Hey, we gon' fuck them all up with the whole team. Yeah, hey, young nigga dream.
See, they treated us like peasants, but we always knew we had the blood of kings pumping through our veins. Dream chasers, we took the stones out the rubble and built the palace. Money, power, and violence, sipping spade on the island. Killing these niggas moment of silence.